All right, we got our list and we're going looking for metal in pre-dawn Los Angeles. We're in the San Pedro area today. Let's go, Grandpa. All right, we scored a stove and a washer dryer combo. Strap that stuff down. And we got a steep alley to go down, so let's be careful out here. And the morning is starting. When you're on a hill, always leave it in gear. Engage the brakes. And let's go stack this water heater onto the truck. Man, it's rusted. Got it in there safe, but it did spew a little bit of what was in the bottom of it, that's for sure. Oh man, on to the next. Got us another water heater. Let's go. All right, we're at the scrap yard. We're waiting our turn to get through. This is where they bust up the concrete. I just got metal. Got so much this morning I didn't want to take it off the truck, so we'll just wait our turn and on to the next. Man, that's a pile of concrete. Everybody working today. The mountain of steel got a little lift to it. Trucks going here and there. You got to pay attention, Grandpa. So we got today's load, so here we go. Howdy. Make sure I get a sledgehammer out of here. Oh, what? Make sure it don't bounce back and hit you in the head. Good stuff. Yes, sir. Not too bad, man. We'll bang this out. Easy peasy. Gotta be safe. I think it was a generator. This bicycle will have better days. So did this pot. Get it gone, baby. Oh well, little by little, man. Use your legs. Okay, Grandpa, one big push. Let's get it off, baby. Bye, engine hoist. Woo! The stufa. I'm gonna go this way. Boom. I love it. All right. Let's get a little brass. All right, get the brass off, Gramps. And a workout. All right, one and done. Let's go. God, that was rusty. Rusty and musty. I like this part because it's fun. Let's see. Yeah. And another one, Grandpa. Yeah, easy peasy. Use your legs. Boom. All right, this will take a minute because we got to unstrap it, but man, this one was heavy. You guys might have saw it earlier today. I was on that alley that was steep. Oh my God. Thank God I got a reverse camera on this truck, so you don't give yourself a heart attack backing up. None of this is worth it if you hit anything. What a beautiful day here in SoCal, baby. Always got straps ready to go. Gotta stay safe out here, man. Ain't worth it if you get hurt. Tie up the loose ends, nothing flying off on the 110 freeway. That's right, out here on the West Coast, we don't call it 110, we call it the 110. You guys tease me every time I'm on the East Coast, North Carolina, New Jersey, New York proper. You guys just call it I-95. We say the, I sound like a Saturday Night Live thing, man. The Californians, the 405, the 101. Freaking kill me. All right, let's go get our gloves back on and get this bad whammer jammer off. Hey, when you got big heavy like this, you just do it a little bit at a time, man. I don't know how they bolted it together. I don't care. It's just they did a nice job. And we're just gonna like do these circles all the way in. You know, it's a trip that some of these washers, I swear to God, they like got like concrete around the drum. For the weight or who knows what, so it spins around good. But and this drain hose this morning, it was underneath this, so I was trimming wires because I recycle those and I cut that hose that's under the way. Man, you always got to be thinking, because man, just spewed and hit me in the face at like 5:45 in the morning. Some nasty old washing machine water. And again, when you're doing this, stay out of the drop zone. Don't let it hit you. And here we go. We like this part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye. Thank you. Good night. Now we'll go sweep up a little bit. Love me some cords for later. All right, guys and gals, I'm gonna sweep this out and get weighed, get paid. Let's go. 80 bucks. One day, one morning. Thanks for the calls. Kept that stuff out of a landfill and we figured out how to get paid. Get out there, grind and hustle. Be safe out there. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching my stuff. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for the comments too.